Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix privacy settings on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to fix any privacy settings on TikTok, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now just select settings and privacy, then select privacy option here and here you can do all the privacy settings in your TikTok profile. So let's say I'm going to select comments here. You can set who can comments on your post. So let's see how you just have to tap on this everyone option and then you have to select friends option, or if you want to turn off comments, so you can do that and the sharing screen of any post. So after that you have to go to mentions and here you can see who can mention you, and you can also set it by using this option here. And after that you have to go back. Here's the messaging. You can set who can message you, who can reuse your content, or you can share your video as the display profile when sharing links. So if you have enabled this toggle, so whenever you have shared of anyone's videos link to any other social media apps, for example I have shared a link to my any contact on WhatsApp. So whenever the person will open the link, he will get my profile. So after that, there's a download. If you have enabled this toggle, so your video can be downloaded by anyone. Or after that is the following list. You can set who can see your following list or who can see your live video. Here's your favorite sounds. If you want to make your favorite sound public, you can enable this toggle. So after enabling that, anyone can see your favorite sounds list. After that, there's the viewers. You can see there's a viewer history. You can see who viewed your profile. After that, you'll see the blocked accounts. So here, if you have blocked someone, you can see the person in this section. Then go back. If you want to make your account completely private, here you'll get the option of private account. You must have to enable that option. Once you have enabled, your account must be private, sir. Or there's another setting which you can do. So it's activity status. So you can see that when this is turned on, you and your friends or followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. You will only see each other's activity status when both of you turn this on. So you can disable this if you want to. If you're looking for any specific privacy settings which is not under here, so you can do one more thing. Just scroll down and look for help center. Then you just have to select any option from here. So let's say I'm going to select profile page. If you want to make or do any privacy setting for your profile page, you just have to select that option. And once I have selected, after that just select other, or you can also select chat with us. Here just wait for this loading. Then select need more help option. And here you can directly chat with TikTok support team. Just enter your message here and then TikTok provides. TikTok will provide you official help. So in this way, you can easily fix your TikTok privacy settings on your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.